back on the E46 again. Today we are doing the vacuum pump gaskets. I've got them here. Never done it before, but yeah, I'll give it a go. I'll have to remove this bit here and then the cabinet filter and all the stuff, and then this cover here as well, all of this, and then I might be able to access the back of it. So the vacuum pump is on the back of the engine in there. So I took the cabin filter off, and then you just have to remove 4 T30 bolts, and then you just detach these two, just pull it up, and then this thing should come apart. There we go. They all together here. Whew. So now, to have more space, as you can see, I've got like more space to the back of the engine, but to have even more space for it, I'll remove this T31, this T30 here, and that one there, and then there is this thing that I can just rotate and it will just unclip. On the other side, just remove this cover here and make sure you put the cap on back again, otherwise you'll drop a 10mm in there. So yeah, if you go here, you can see that the pump is right here. You can actually touch it. I can feel everything. Yeah, it's definitely leaking. Yeah, I brought a napkin so I can show you that it's leaking. So I'm gonna just wipe it at the bottom of it. Yeah, as you can see, it's nasty. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and detach it from the engine. There he goes. That's it, the boy. Be filthy. As you can see here, it was leaking the oil down onto the exhaust down there. Yeah. So now I'm going to remove these bolts here to open up the pump, and it should be with the T30. Now the gaskets are on, and I'm going to put it back in. So I just gotta make sure that this pin here is in the correct position, so it goes with the exhaust cam. So yeah, now I've put everything back together. So I just need to do the same in reverse, put the 10mm bolts and everything back on, and yeah, and obviously the vacuum pipe as well. And then yeah, it's just to put everything back together. So gotta put this cover here back in there, and yeah, that's pretty much it on that one now. And fucking cabinet filter, everything. That's easy.